Now, step number 4, we're actually going to upload leads into the list, and that list is already connected to the campaign. So as soon as we add the leads, then we could actually start working on the dialer. So what we're going to do is we're going to, first of all, step number 3 was technically to save the list on the Excel and to save it under the comma delimited format and to save it under the power dialer, which is a folder that you have on your desktop. So this is step number 3. Now step number 4 is going to be to upload that list into the actual list, the Excel into the list. So you're going to go to add new, import leads. So this is step number 4. Step number 1, add a campaign. Step number 2, you're going to add a list. Step number 3, you're going to save the leads from your Excel into the actual power dialer folder. And then step number 4, you're going to go to import leads. Now it's very easy. Select the list. Now let's select the first one that we're using, which is the 200. So you just scroll down until you find the one you're looking for. So this is Alliance Cancel October. This is the one that we are working on. So once again, Alliance Cancel October. And then you go next. Check for duplicates. For now, always select no, because it may run those numbers into the whole database and we don't want to delete them. Maybe they're under a different list for a different purpose. So you're going to go next and then drop file or click to browse. So you're going to click to browse and then it's going to open up this folder. Now it took me right to the power dialer folder, but if it doesn't take you to the folder in the beginning until it recognizes the folder, you could just go to desktop and then you're going to see your power dialer folder, and then you could just select the list. So for now, we're going to select the Alliance 11-1 Alliance, even though it shows September and October. I know we're working on the October just for the title, but this is the right list. So you're going to see it loads up and it gives you a little check, and then that means it's already been uploaded. You submit it. Now, as soon as you're done submitting, it's going to take you to this Dolphin field and list header. So technically now you're going to connect the fields with the data, the columns. So the first name, we're going to try to keep the same format, but the first name is always going to go with the customer's name. Now we could use the company for the policy number. So this is company where we're going to use a policy number. The email, we're going to use the cancellation date or renewal date, depending on what we're working, the type of list that we're working on. So cancellation date. Now the address, we could use the office for the address. And then the city, we could actually use the Hawksoft ID. And then we don't need any additional information, but phone always connected to the actual phone number, which is phone number. And matter of fact, we're actually going to use the state for the appointment just in case that lead had an appointment already. So every type of call is going to have different data. But this is just an example. First name with the customer's name, company, the policy number, email, cancellation date, address, the office, city, Hawksoft ID, state, appointment, date and time, and then the phone number we're going to use for the actual number. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to submit it. It's going to tell you missing fields, no last name. So just press yes and then submit it again. There you go. So it says success, total records of 599, and there's no errors at all. So in this list, it seems like it uploaded 599 phone numbers. So if we go to the power dialer and we go to the, we choose the 200, which is the Alliance Cancel in October, it shows total leads of 599. These are the leads that we could call, which is 84. So for some reason it added more leads, but technically the ones that we're going to be able to use are 84. So let's upload another set of leads to another list. So now let's select the second one that we're using, which was the Infinity Renewal October. Let's go next. Check for duplicates. We're gonna press no. You're gonna go next, and you're gonna, let's use this test for now. It's gonna give you the little check. You're gonna submit it, and then you're just gonna link the information just the same way that we did a couple seconds ago. Very easy. Name, company, we were gonna use policy number, email, we use a cancellation date, address, office, city, appointment, and then the phone number. It's pretty basic. It doesn't matter if you choose a different one, as long as you're mapping all the information or linking all the information, because you're going to need it anyways. So then you're going to go submit. It's going to ask you about the last name. Usually it's going to ask you once or twice, and then you could select yes. So there you go. 29 leads. Now, if we open up the actual Excel that we uploaded, we should see about 29. There you go. So it's 29. So from 2 to 30, that's 29 leads. So that's technically how you upload leads into the list.